After we explained how to start working from home online as a freelancer, how to publish your gigs and services online on Fiverr and how to rank them and how to promote your gigs and get your first clients, today in this video I want to share with you 8 golden tips everyone working as a freelancer must know. Whether you are a beginner or a professional, these tips will help you scale your freelancing business. So stay tuned and don't miss this small, short video. Hi everyone, I'm Hasan from Educate, and today I want to share with you some important tips as a freelancer working online. But before we start, I just want to remind you that we still have only 2 days for our giveaway, $50 cash for 10 winners. So if you haven't joined yet, go now, educate.com/giveaway and join us. If you are following my channel, you know I started a Freelancing Pro series showing anyone how to start working online totally for free from scratch. If you like to watch this series, you can check the link in the description below. Anyway, let's stop wasting time and start with our 8 tips for today. Tip number 1, which all beginners will think about and sometimes it will stop them from working. This question, how we will get paid. Some people think the internet is somehow virtual, we can get paid, they have this type of thinking. Other people say that PayPal is not available in their country, so how they will get paid, and they worry about this a lot, and sometimes they stop working because of this thinking. Today, please, I want to tell you, stop thinking in how you will get paid. If you get an order and you get some money, you will find a way to get your money. Don't worry about this. Just start, work hard, improve your skills, provide your skills, and you will find a way to get your money. Simple example, you can sign up to pioneer.com, you can create a virtual bank account and connect with Fiverr, you can connect with any service and get your money. Don't worry about this before you start. You will find a solution. This is tip number 1. Tip number 2, don't start working and provide services without having a portfolio. What is a portfolio? Simply, it's a small website where you show your work on. As an example, if you are a graphic designer, maybe you work in motion graphics, logo designer, whatever you do, programmer, developer, web designer, anything you do, you must share your work. You must publish your work online so people can see what you can do. So anyone now who wants to order something from you can see your work before he orders, and this will give you a positive impact on your account, especially if you're a beginner and you don't have any reviews yet. You need something that proves to people that you can do the job, and the best way, which is a must, is to have a portfolio. And don't tell me I don't have money to create websites and whatever. I explained in detail how to create a free portfolio here on my channel. You can find the link in the description below. So tip number 2, create a portfolio for your work. Tip number 3, create tutorials. If you can publish YouTube videos, believe me, from my experience, you will get a lot of clients just by sharing tutorials and your work on YouTube. You can simply, if you work in DIY stuff, you can capture some images and some videos and publish on YouTube or maybe on Instagram or whatever. Share tutorials and share what you do online on social platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and so on. And especially on YouTube, and especially publish tutorials. As an example, when I started publishing email marketing tutorials and videos, believe me, till today, almost every day, every single day, I get clients asking me to provide them services. And honestly, 90% I tell them I can't do it because I don't have time for that. So YouTube, believe me, changed my business, and especially in freelancing, where I get a lot of requests simply from YouTube. If you don't want to create videos, you can create articles. You can create a blog and share tutorials on your blog. Any kind of content that shows your work will help you promote your freelancing services. Also, you can create courses, free courses or maybe paid courses on Udemy, on Skillshare or whatever. Also, this will help you to promote your work and tell people about your skills and what can you do. Tip number 4, which is also very important, improve your communication skills. What I mean here is simply improve your English communication skills. You know, when you provide service online, you will talk to people worldwide. And the top language today, top spoken language today is English. At least you need to know how you can communicate with people in English. If a client asks you to have a small Zoom call explaining the project, you have to communicate with him, you have to talk with him, or you will simply lose the job. So also dedicate some time to improve your English. I'm not talking about being professional. I'm not a professional in English, but I know how to talk. I know how to express what I want, and I know how to write in English so I can talk to people. That's it. Tip number 5, don't ever provide a service for free. Your time, your work, your knowledge is valuable. Even if you can do some services in 5 or 10 minutes, this is because you spent a lot of maybe years testing and learning and experiencing things. Then today you can do it in 5 minutes. So don't ever provide a service for free. People in their subconscious don't value a lot free stuff. So always charge for your service. What you can do is provide maybe an add-on for free, or maybe they provide a discount for free for some of your clients. So maybe to build a relation between you and them and so on. What you can do is to provide content for free. So we can go back to tip number 3, to create YouTube videos for free, to create blog articles, to create courses for free. In this way, you can use the free content to promote your paid services. And this is what exactly I do in my business. I provide a lot of free content on YouTube. I provide free applications, free stuff, a lot of free stuff. But all this free content is promoting, in a way, my paid services, my paid courses, my paid services, whatever I sell, and so on. Okay, so never provide your premium service for free. Value your time and value your effort and value your work. Tip number 6, choose the perfect chair. Select the perfect setup. I mean, perfect is something that is good for your health, for your back, for your body. Always, and this is really very important, remember that your health is much more important than money. So always you have to think in your body, in your health, before you start working. So always have a routine, like every 30 minutes, stand up, walk, do some exercises to keep your body healthy and don't suffer from back aches and neck problems and so on. Remember that your health is more important than money. Tip number 7, which I think is very, very important in terms of freelancing, which is promoting outside freelancing websites. I mentioned this before in my freelancing videos, but this is really very important. Don't simply publish your gigs on Fiverr or publish your profile on Upwork or whatever and just sit down and wait for a client. 90% of times you will fail. Things doesn't work like this. We have a huge, big competition today in 2021. So always try your best to promote, to do what we call brand awareness. Let people know about you outside freelancing services and websites. So you know, in my case, I don't work on freelancing websites. I have my own freelancing website. I talked about this before. So I sell my services on my own private freelancing website. And this is very important. Try your best to promote yourself, to promote your work outside Fiverr and outside freelancing websites. And this also is based on tip number 3, which is creating content, a blog, YouTube channel, social profiles, portfolio. All these will help you grow outside freelancing services, and on the long term you will have private clients who contact you always to get your services. And this is very important, so don't ever rely only on Fiverr promotion or freelancing websites to get you clients. It doesn't work like this. Okay, so tip number 7, promote always outside freelancing services. Tip number 8 is simply patience. In general, whenever you start a job or work online or whatever, you need to have some patience, because patience is one of the most important keys for your success in your business. You have to post your jobs, your skills, your portfolio, your website, create content, maybe for 2, 3, 6, maybe 1 year, and then you can see results on the long term. But if you do this, you will see that at the end, you will build an online business, a strong online business that will never go down and you can rely on in your life. So you have your own business from home, be comfortable, you don't need any jobs, you work full time from home. I think everyone here loves to achieve this. If you like this video, please go now, hit the like button. This will help me a lot to support me and support my channel to create more and more videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to get every new update. And please, if you didn't watch my Freelancing Pro series, go now and start watching it. It will give you a lot of ideas to promote your gigs, to promote your services, and to be successful as a freelancer online. See you later.